Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add or connect the Vitals app to Shopify store. First thing that you should do is you have to go and open any of your web browser and go to shopify.com and then make sure to log in or sign up for an account if you don't have any, and then go ahead and start a free trial. Okay, so right here you can select which biz describes you. So for this one, I'm going to skip all of this so you can do this one as well. So you just click on the skip all option. And right here, you just have to select your country or your region. And then just click on next. And then after a couple of seconds, you'd be redirected to this section. For this video, I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Okay, so you just have to click on it and select your Google account and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so this may take a while, but don't worry. And after seconds of waiting, you'd be directed to your dashboard. So what you're going to do next is you have to make sure that you are on your store. So just click on this My Store option at the top right hand corner of your screen and then select your Shopify store. The next thing that you should do is to click on this Add Apps option at the left side of your screen and then just click on the Shopify App Store option. Okay, so you'd be directed to this page, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, just have to scroll down and look for the Vitals app, and if you cannot find it right here, you can use the search bar at the top and then type out Vitals. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this app. Okay, so this one right here, so you just have to click on it. So this one has a 7 days free trial. Okay, and then when you scroll down before installing this one, I'm going to show you an overview of this product. So product reviews, import from AliExpress, SV, and other apps, collect via email. So you've got also right here Upsell Builder, create unlimited bundles, volume discounts, BOGOs, gifts, goals. And then for the product bundle features, you've got the bundle types, the cross-sell bundles, custom bundles, fixed bundles, frequently bought together, and then mix and match bundles, related products, upsells bundles. And for the pricing, you can set BOGO, bulk pricing, and then card discounts, fixed pricing, flat discounts, and etc. And you also have here the product review features. And then when you scroll down, you'll be able to see here the pricing. So for the hubby, you've got $29.99 per month. So this one has an unlimited upsells. They also have business, pro, and then plus. Okay, and then after that, all of this has a 7-day free trial. Now just click on install, and then you'd be redirected to another tab. So now that you're here, just have to click on the install button. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, until you can install the Vitals app to your Shopify store. And finally, you can see this page right here, and it means that you have successfully installed the Vitals app on your Shopify store. Okay, so right here you've got the sales for the assisted, orders assisted, active apps, and then you also have here the captured emails. Okay, so you'll be able to see all of these details. So you just have to explore these things. So right here you can create an upsell offer, collect product reviews, watch recordings of your visitors, and then scroll down and the more tools for your store section. So you get the product reviews, payment logos, trust cells, and badges. You also have the product bundles, volume discounts, buy X and get Y, visitor supplies, currency converter, live chat channels, sticky add to cart, recently viewed, and related products. You can also increase conversion with a sticky add to cart bar. When visitors scroll down, add to cart button disappears, so you can go ahead and activate that feature. You can also invite a Shopify merchant. So you can invite a friend to Vitals and you'll both get a $50 subscription credits. So for example, for the product reviews, if you want to activate the app, right here, be able to see the features. So you can display reviews in product pages and a grid or list view, automate review requests via email, import reviews from other apps, CSV files or AliExpress, and then show featured reviews on the home page. Okay, so when you click on the activate app option, right here you'd be able to see this guide, so you can enable this one later or go to the theme editor. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you how to enable this one. Okay, so just go to your theme editor, then another tab will open. So what you're going to do next is you just have to make sure to toggle the switch on to activate this feature to your Shopify store. So just make sure to toggle the switch on. So just click on it, and then you can also manage the app. Okay, so just click on it and then just click on the save button, this one at the top right hand corner of your screen. Okay, so now that it has been activated, let's go back to the Vitals app and try to activate more features. Okay, so let me just rearrange these tabs. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try the other features for this app. Okay, so here you can import reviews, customize appearance and settings. You can also change position on page. Okay, so you can reviews widget right here. You got the reviews carousel, star rating, featured reviews, and then the happy customers page. So this one is already activated, so let's proceed to the other features. For example, for the payment logos, so when you click on the activate app option, okay, you'd be able to select your styles over here and of course your logos. Okay, so when you click on select logos, you'd be able to see different logos for your payment method, and then you just have to select your logos and then just click on save, and then just have to fill out all of the important details, and then after that just click on save, this one at the top right hand of your screen, and then it will be activated. Okay, so since we already toggled the switch on for the Vitals, so right here when you go to the left side, you've got the apps under the Vitals, the widgets, you also have here the integration, the settings, and of course the plan. So those are the basic things that you need to know about the Vitals on your Shopify store. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.